Hi, welcome to Beyond the Box with Ben. I'm Ben, and today we're going to be talking about the difference between compostable packing tape and plastic packing tape. No issue custom, no issue compostable, a little bit something. So, first things first, this is a roll of our custom compostable no issue tape. What that means is that it's printed on paper, so it's paper-based tape with a water-activated gummed adhesive backing. We've got a video on how to apply your no-issue packing tape. You can check that out. We've got a link down in the comments, and it's on our YouTube channel. So, what does it mean to be paper-based versus plastic-based? Well, first of all, when you apply plastic tape to a box, as you see kind of all over the place in e-commerce, boxes are often sealed with plastic tape. That actually isn't recyclable. So plastic tape is not recyclable. It's also certainly not compostable, which means that when you apply this to a box, your customer has to take that off before they put the box into the recycling. Now, a lot of recycling plants will end up having to do that themselves, but it's so much easier if you can just apply paper tape instead of using this plastic stuff. The adhesive that's actually used on this tape, and most common plastic packing tapes, isn't actually good for the environment anyway. So if it leaches into the cardboard that people are using, or it gets stuck onto something, those are just more chemicals that are kind of getting introduced into the environment. One of the reasons people might want to use plastic tape over paper tape is that they might think that it's more durable. But our tape, our compostable packing tape, is as durable as plastic packing tape, looks better, and is also recyclable and compostable. Both of them are going to be tamper-proof, so you're not actually going to be able to get into the box unless you really take some scissors to it or a knife to it. And at the end of the day, when your customer is getting rid of these two things, they're going to have to take the plastic off of this one, whereas this one can go straight into the recycling bin. Or the compost. Always compost, man. So there you have it. That's the difference between no-issue tape and plastic packing tape. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to leave those down in the comment section below or reach out to us on any of our channels. And if you want to, stick around to check out other cool videos that may or may not be popping up all around me, depending on if we figure that out yet. From all of us at No Issue, that's tape. That's a tape. And we're taping it up. So there you have it. 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 That's the difference between the oof. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, feel free to leave those down in the comments section. Obviously, you would leave your comments in the comment section.